Hey man, Nike is back at it again. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up to the videos and see what we are talking about. I feel like we got a good, interesting topic today. And before we get into it, before we touch too much into it, man, right now I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like, bro. Y'all need to do those three things, bro. And it's super simple. First, hit that subscribe button, then hit the notification bell, and of course, followed up with a huge like, man. You gotta do them three things, and then we'll be good to go. We're progressing through the video, man. All right, guys, so you seen the thumbnail, you definitely seen the title, and it's real, bro. It's not no clickbait. This is really happening, and it's crazy that I had to see this over on Twitter. You know, so I was just scrolling randomly, and I seen that Nike is canceling people's orders. And it's not just any order, bro. It's the Nike SB Powerpuff Girl collaboration. Now, you guys know what has happened over the last couple of days after that drop. Of course, it was just a ridiculous drop. You had to sit there and scratch the screen, and then you had to make sure you got every little part of it, and you had to click it in order to get to the spot where they gave you exclusive access to the sneaker. And that happened to not be the case, bro. There's a lot of people stuff glitching out, a lot of error messages, just a lot going on with the drop. They did it a couple different times throughout the day, and I didn't hit on anything, bro. And there was a lot of people that didn't hit on anything, and it was a super limited drop. So that just makes it even worse, bro. So the people that did get that confirmation email initially turns back around a couple days later, and then they get a cancellation email from Nike themselves. But that gotta hurt, bro. It has to hurt. And it seems like they always doing this around those big drops. Like they fulfill too many items, or they didn't have enough pairs, or just whatever happened in the whole, in between time of the initial drop and actually shipping the pairs out. Something happens, bro. And that's super sad, especially people that really thought they was getting them. Maybe somebody already sold them somebody. Maybe it was a Christmas gift for somebody else. Just a lot of different, situations, scenarios you can kind of think of when you talk about people's orders getting canceled from Nike, bro. I guess the only plus side with that is you saving some money, but at the end of the day, you probably losing some money because we about to check the resale value. And if I'm not mistaken, bro, after the drop, like literally a couple of hours after the drop, all the pairs shot up in resale value, not by no crazy tremendous amount, but a significant amount of price increase on the resale market. So let's just check out the most popular sneakers, and of course you do see all the Powerpuff Girls on there. So let's pick on the blue pair, and I think the blue pair, which is Bubbles, is the most limited one, and literally for a size 9 is $319. Go ahead and check that out, guys. Y'all check it out, man. Y'all see the sizes, and of course those bigger sizes are going for about $400. You guys can go ahead and peep that right there. So like I said, man, the prices are going to keep going up, I feel like, especially after all the pairs do get shipped out. People get them in hand, and that's just StockX that I'm checking. I didn't check eBay, I didn't check GOAT, but I know on all those different, different sites and stuff like that, the price is still pretty steep, bro. Especially for a sneaker that only retail for like $130 or $140. I forget the tag, but man, it's a bummer. It sucks, bro. And I definitely seen this happen multiple times around, some big releases like Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. That's the most relevant one that I can remember when people thought they hit on that exclusive access. The next thing you know, bro, like you said, oh, you thought you had exclusive access, and you thought you had it. The next thing you know, you get that cancel email that the homie unfortunately got that he shared over on Twitter, man. It sucks, bro. It definitely sucks, and it's just something Nike always has been doing. So you always got to wait till you beat the final boss, as everybody likes to say. I know y'all talk about FedEx, but you got to first get through Nike, bro, because Nike will literally cancel your goddamn own order. So yeah, you guys let me know down below in the comment section if you had any issues like this before, if you even, this happened to you with the Powerpuff Girls. Like, did your order get canceled? Did your order never get a confirmation, but they took your money? Let us know down below in the comment section, because it is some very crazy stuff that does happen, that goes around these large releases, bro. These super hype limited drops like the Powerpuff SB Dunk Lows. And I cannot believe I did not mention the Travis Scott Mac Attack drop that happened today. You guys let me know if you went after him, bro. I feel like that's literally like the most hype beast sneaker of 2023, bro. They throw the Mac Attack with Travis Scott and you get a crazy out, you know what I'm saying, turn around with the sneaker. They dropped today. It was a draw. I didn't even enter, bro. I didn't even enter the draw. That's how much I'm not copping them, bro. I am not getting these sneakers. My mind was already made up. But if you guys were able to secure them, if you grabbed them, if you like them, honestly, please let us know down below in the comment section, bro, because I literally do not like these sneakers at all, bro. I'm talking about at all. I think the only thing that I do like about it is it's a neutral color, you know what I'm saying, gray and black, and without with a lot of things. You got the Travis Scott Cactus Jack in the back. But other than that, bro, come on, man, what we doing, bro? What we doing, bro? Anybody that fit the squad, if you copped them, let us know down below in the comment section. I'm not gonna judge you because you might actually like them, bro. I don't gotta like every single sneaker, just like you don't gotta like every single sneaker. So I'm gonna respect your opinion, but don't hold out on this, bro. Don't hold out on this. Be real, keep it truthful. If you love them things, and if you like them just because it said Travis Scott, comment it down below, bro. Cause man, I ain't feeling them at all. And I want to check the resale value just real quick. Since I got y'all here already, let me check the resale value real quick, just to see what these things is hitting for. Because man, like I said, I wouldn't even pay 100 for these. That's just me. But somebody gave it to me for the free ski, I'd take it, man. So the resale kind of attributes to how I feel about the sneaker. They're not that expensive. They're going for about $260 right now in the resale market. Right here, as you guys can see, for my size 9. It's not bad at all, bro. But like I said, I'm not getting them. I wouldn't pay 150 on them, like let alone 260. And I think the bigger size is like the size 12, size 13, 12 and a half is going for like $400, man. So hey, if you just got them to resell them, hey, do your thing, bro. I know some out there do love these sneakers. Either one because it's Travis Scott, or two because they like the Mac attacks. I don't know, bro. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell, especially if you like topics like this. I come to you guys and I gotta get all you guys' thoughts and opinions over the situation. It's not just about me. I know it's a 1,000 other people that are probably thinking the same thing, like, yo, Nike, you dropped the ball, bro. We're disappointed in Nike, what they're doing, bro. It's a multi-billion-dollar corporation. We should not be hearing about stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, you do get errors, of course, and stuff like that. But this is like a super common issue from Nike as far as canceling orders, you know what I'm saying, refunding money for no reason, even though you ain't asked for no refund. There's a lot of different stuff that goes on. The list goes on and on. This is not the only thing that I wanted to bring up, bro. This is not the only thing. Nike has been doing a bunch of other crazy stuff, and it just happens to be these Powerpuff SB Dunk Lows got canceled from the homie, and this is crazy, bro. I feel bad for y'all. If it happened to you, let us know down below in the comment section, man. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. I enjoy chopping up with you guys, and I might premiere this thing, trying to get you guys, you know what I'm saying, live reaction and comment with you guys in real time. So it can feel like a live, you feel me? So I like sitting up the camera, chopping up with you guys, and seeing how y'all think. So I'm challenging all you guys to comment down below, vent, let us know how you feel about this situation with Nike, man. Peace.